What's the meaning of actual? Actual. 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 The word actual typically means something that is real or existing in fact, as opposed to something that is hypothetical, supposed, or imagined. It can refer to a current state or condition, as well as the true or objective nature of something. For example, the actual cost of the project was higher than expected, or the actual winner of the race was not who was predicted to win. Essentially, actual is used to distinguish between what is real and what is not, providing clarity and accuracy in descriptions and statements.